You've probably heard it a million times already. Find your niche to succeed with your side hustle, or niche down and not get lost in the sea of generic products. Many of you have asked me as well, how do I find my niche? I wish I could give you a straightforward answer, but it's a deeply personal journey. In the first part of this video, I will help you find your unfair advantage and finally your niche. To do so, I will provide you with a free document with 10 questions to guide you to your unfair advantage. Then in the second part, I will challenge the whole find your niche approach and reveal what you can do instead. First, let's understand what a niche is. A niche refers to a specific segment of a market that has unique demands or is underserved. It could be a specialized product that solves specific problems for a targeted audience, or a specific audience that values certain attributes like local production and sustainability in general products. Why is it beneficial to start your business with a niche then? Here are the main reasons. Number 1, less competition. Since a niche is a smaller segment of the market, there's less competition from bigger companies. The big players prefer higher volumes in order to pay off the investment in developing the product as soon as possible. Number 2, higher profit margins. Niche markets often allow for higher profit margins because customers are willing to pay more for product that precisely meets their needs. Number 3 is strong brand loyalty. By catering to the specific needs of a niche audience, you can build a strong brand loyalty and a dedicated customer base. Now that we understand what a niche is, let's tackle the crucial question. How do you find your specific niche? To find your personal niche, we need to explore the concept of an unfair advantage. An unfair advantage is a unique asset that gives you a specific edge over others. It's something that can't be easily copied or bought. This could be a special skill, a unique interest, or even your mindset. Step 1 in finding your unfair advantage is to reflect on your past. Think about the skills you've developed and the challenges you've overcome, and write these down. Then, in step 2, identify what makes you different. What do you do better than the others? What unique insights or experiences do you have? Everyone has at least one unfair advantage. Let me share examples from my own experience. For my first Etsy store, my passion for coffee and the timing of the Corona lockdown was my unfair advantage. Stuck at home, I still wanted great coffee but didn't want to spend too much on equipment. So I got a budget grinder. As a dedicated engineer, I couldn't resist improving the grinder with additional parts that I designed and printed. I didn't want to keep these upgrades to myself, and that's how my first Etsy store was born. For my second Etsy store, I designed products that improved the life of parents. By designing mounting parts for children's bikes onto trailers, I provided a secure and elegant solution for transporting kids' bikes. My unfair advantage here? Being a parent myself. I hope these examples help you identify your unfair advantage. Let me know in the comments if you found yours. Once you've identified it, you can start looking for products that fit your unique edge and thus find your niche. For those still having trouble finding their unfair advantage, I've created a free document with 10 questions to guide you. You can get it in the link in the description. Download it, print it out, fill it out, and you might discover your unfair advantage. While you do that, let's take a step back and rethink the find your niche approach. What if you found your unfair advantage but can't find any existing products in this field during your market research? That's actually great news. Instead of finding your niche, you now have the opportunity to create your niche. Remember when Apple released the iPad? Initially, no one knew why they would need one, but now many people own an iPad. This is a perfect example for creating a niche where none existed before. So if you can't find any products that match your unfair advantage, don't worry. Instead, create a product that solves your unique problem, list it on Etsy or Shopify, and you might just establish your own niche in the market. Good luck and happy printing, 3D farmers!